breath in my lungs to you. Do I love the taste of your tongue, got a taste of your love, and I want you. And it goes way beyond the chemistry, the kind of friend that I can never have platonically. And they don't know about what's going on behind the scenes, but they don't need to. I swear I'll keep it between you and me. What we're doing, yeah. What we're doing, yeah.
I'll keep replaying moments and scenes in my head. Yeah, I'm waking up tired, but you're next to me in the bed. We not even getting no rest. No, we ain't got time for that. And we ain't got patience. Clothes on the floor, room is messy, won't pick it up, I'm too lazy. Yeah, wanna stay here all day, cancel plans, friends say I'm changing up. But you know I change for you, and you know I'll keep it real quiet, no explaining what.